February is American Heart Month, a time when all people, especially women, are really encouraged to focus on their cardiovascular health.
Yeah, so cardiovascular disease is the #1 killer of women, causing 1 in 3 deaths in the United States every single year, higher than all forms of cancer deaths in women combined.
Incredible. Joining us live here is Dr. Veronica McCloskey, Assistant Chief Medical Officer at HCA Florida Kendall Hospital. Thanks for being here.
It's a pleasure.
We do appreciate it. What are some of the warning signs of a heart condition?
So the scary part about heart disease is that sometimes it can be completely asymptomatic. However, once you start having some of the warning signs, you can experience chest pain, but sometimes something as simple as shortness of breath or fatigue can be a sign of heart disease.
Is it simple to try to combat this or prevent this? Or is it a genetic issue that you can do all you want, but you still may be susceptible to it?
So heart disease is absolutely preventable.
Really?
The important thing is that you need to get to know your risk factors. So a lot of people don't know if they have high blood pressure or high cholesterol. So the most important thing for people is to get to know if I have risk factors. Do I have high blood pressure? Do I have high cholesterol? Do I have diabetes? If you don't know, go to your doctor, get your numbers.
Okay, very good. And so CVS Miami has teamed up with HCA Florida Healthcare for a big blood drive. Talk to us about the importance of having a blood drive and having it being available.
Absolutely. So blood donation is extremely important. The main thing is that it saves lives. It absolutely saves lives. One single blood donation can save up to 3 lives.
Right.
And individuals who need a blood transfusion can be either because of a medical illness, because they've lost blood during surgery, or because of a trauma or accident where they're losing massive amounts of blood. So imagine how important it is to have that supply of blood available for anyone that could need it all of a sudden without warning. And in addition, what I say is that donating blood is just an act of kindness and generosity, and there's nothing that feels better than to be able to help like that.
Exactly. Because, you know, what I was learning and doing research about it, 1 in 3 of us will need a transfusion at some point in our lives.
Correct. And sometimes it's without warning. You know,
Yeah.
it could be an accident, it could be sudden blood loss. So you don't always have that warning to request it and wait for it. So that blood supply, to have that blood supply available is extremely important.
I want to go back to the symptoms. I think this is really important. The symptoms are different for men and women. Men could say, I got a little indigestion. It's not heart pain. I got some gas. But it may not be true.
Absolutely. So, you know, when you think about the symptoms of heart disease, a lot of people think about the classic chest pain, right? But in women in particular, women also have chest pain, right, if they have heart disease. But in women in particular, the heart disease could manifest in all kinds of different ways. You can feel just shortness of breath. Definitely a symptom of shortness of breath is something that you need to get checked out.
And back pain, right? Back pain.
Absolutely. It can sometimes feel as neck pain, jaw pain. It could be a pain between your shoulder blades. It could be any kind of atypical pain that happens between, you know, your jaw and your chest. So anything that seems odd, out of the ordinary, is just better and safer to get checked out.
Does it have to be persistent pain or just like a one-time thing?
Not necessarily.
No? Okay.
Sometimes if you're beginning to develop heart disease, usually at the beginning is with exertion. So if you start to do something physical and exert yourself, you begin to feel that because the blood is asking for more blood, and the heart is asking for more blood and oxygen. But as it progresses, it could be sporadic or even at rest.
Got it.
Could talk to you all day about this.
Good information, I know. Saving lives here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time, Doctor. We appreciate it.
Thank you so much. It's a pleasure.
And as we mentioned, CBS Miami is teaming up with HCA Florida and One Blood to help save lives this Heart Month. We're going to be at 2 blood drives on Thursday, February 29th from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. We hope you'll come out to meet us and do your part to help end the national blood shortage. I'm going to be at HCA Florida Westside Hospital and Plantation live for CBS Miami at 9 a.m. and noon. Next weather meteorologist Cindy Pressler, she's going to be there as well in the afternoon. That address is 8201 West Broward Boulevard.
I'll meet you over there.
Okay.
I'll donate that day. I'm in the Gallon Club, by the way.
Are you really?
Yeah, I am. Larissa Gonzalez and Lauren Pastrana, they're going to be at HCA Florida Aventura Hospital, 20900 Biscayne Boulevard in the morning. Lauren will be there for CBS News Miami at 5 and 6.